Want to turn your boring image into stunning animation for free and unlimited? In this video I will turn image to animation using a free AI tool. Yes, it's free, no bullshit. So if you are new to this channel, I recommend you to subscribe this channel to get crazy AI tutorials like this. Step 1. Open Leonardo AI to generate or download images for this project. You can use images too. Step 2. In a new tab, search PikaLabs AI and open the first link, then click on Join Beta to get access. This button will redirect you to Discord, and there you can do the final work, which is generating animation. After joining Discord channel, scroll down and click on any of this generate button. Now click here and write down which style you want to move your image. Then click on this button and upload the image we saved earlier. After that, hit enter and it will take some time to generate the animation for you. As you can see, many people are using this tool right now. You can use it for your personal projects like Viedo for your music and many more. After the video is generated, simply click on this download icon and save it to your local device to use it.